Welcome back to Cooking Life with us. Today, let us cook pakora. Things that we need: baisan, ground coriander, onions, zeera or cumin seeds, baking soda, chili flakes, and potatoes. Of course, the salt as well. Measurement is available on the description below. Using the slicers, let us slice one medium-sized potato and then place it on the bowl. Next, we need 2 cups of baisan powder or chickpeas flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of zeera or cumin seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them well or nicely. Make sure that they are nicely mixed before adding water. You need 1½ cup of water. Add water gradually to make sure that you won't use water overly. Sometimes the water we need depends on what type or kind of basin are we going to use. Some needs a lot of water, some don't. After mixing it using the mixture whisk, remove it and then use your hand to mix it to make sure that there will be no more lumps remaining and it will be surely soft and smooth. When the mixture is ready, let us mix the sliced potato. Make sure that the oil is hot before placing it on the oil. Next is the mix of potato and onions. I cut it just like this. On the remaining mixture, let us add the onions and potatoes, then mix them well. Use the same oil that we use for the sliced pakora. Our 2 ways of cooking pakora is now ready to eat. And it's also nice if you will eat it with imli or tamarind sauce.